I have Sonos Ace, I have Sonos Ace.
After waiting for a very long time, more than 3 years to be exact, now I have Sonos Ace.
Yay!
And I'm glad that Sonos sent me the black one because the white one, it will look dingy after 1 month of usage. Not that there is anything wrong with the color white, I simply cannot maintain the color white properly when it's sitting on my neck. Opening the box, we are greeted by the pouch. Let's put that away for a moment. And okay, we have this accessories booklet, seems to be. What's inside there? Let's open it up. Okay, all right, that's a USB-C to USB-C cable. Can be used for charging, obviously. And you can also use it to connect your Sonos using wired connection to your compatible phones. And on the right hand side, there's a 3.5mm stereo to USB-C cable. In the middle envelope, you see the setup guide, also known as Manual. Enough of that, let's now open the case itself. It's shrouded in a cloth protector, and considering how OCD I am, and I mean it in a clinical way, I'll be using the cloth to protect the cloth protector of the headphone. Let's have a look at the front. There's the Sonos logo, very understated. I like that. Now let's unzip it. Zip it, zip it, zip it. It's nice. It looks really nice with the Sonos logo being very understated. The plastic quality is better than my Sony 1000XM3, sturdier than Bose Quiet Comfort, and the headband and ear cups, they're better, much better than Apple AirPod Max. How's the sound quality? Let's start by attaching the headphones to your phone using the Bluetooth connection. All you need to do is power on the headphones and open the Bluetooth connection inside your phone general settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Sonos Ace. Click that and bam! As you can see, the Sonos Ace has been connected to the phone. The next thing you have to do is open the Sonos app. So you get out from your settings, go to Sonos app, open the app, and then you'll be greeted with this message. Obviously, you want to add it to the app, and after a few moments later, the Sonos Ace will be recognized and you're gonna start the update process. The update process will take about 10 to 12 minutes long. So during the 10-12 minutes period, you might as well watch my other videos. I almost forget, when you're doing the update, don't close the application on your phone and make sure you have a fully charged headphone before you start doing this process. When done, the headphone will restart itself. It's going to take about 2-3 minutes to do that, and it'll be blinking orange. That's normal. Just leave it. Don't do anything, just leave it. Unfortunately, even after spending 15 minutes of the Bluetooth setup and the app setup, you still have to do another setup. It doesn't take long. It takes another perhaps 2 minutes, but it should not be separated into 3 different processes. It's not very intuitive at all. I almost forgot to mention the third section of the setup is for TV audio swap. So if you have a Sonos Arc, just by putting your headphones on, it will automatically swap the audio between the playback on your Arc, transfer it over to your Sonos Ace, and vice versa. As you can see, the third section of the setup on your screen. And please, Sonos, as much as I like your product, please make the entire initial setup to be more intuitive rather than being so fragmented at the time being. Going back to the swap functionality, let's say I'm playing something on my Sonos Arc, such as this. All I need to do is open the Sonos app and click swap. Once you click swap, the sound coming from your Sonos Arc is transferred over to the Sonos Ace. This can also be done automatically once you set up your Sonos Ace to auto-detect, but I personally prefer to do this manually. And how's the sound quality? It is more than acceptable. It is a very vivid, very exciting sounding pair of headphones. There is a bass boost in mid-bass area around 100 Hz, and there is another boost around low high frequency area. If you don't like this type of sound, you can just go to the Ace settings and turn off the loudness. It's not perfect, but then again, what is? Especially at this price. Long-winded setup process aside, I can't really complain about these headphones at all. Most comfortable compared to any other noise-canceling headphones, better noise-canceling algorithm compared to other ANC headphones at the same price, very long battery life, and an astonishing spatial audio and surround sound emulation. I don't personally see there's enough reason not to love these headphones. Yeah, there's this Sonos app fiasco, but it's in the past. Let's move on, enjoy the system, enjoy the headphones, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.